Sneaking through. Oh, pushing wide though. Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. All right, regular Wednesday night race night. We're gonna go out for the four-wheel drive mod buggy. I'm in the B main, and we're gonna go out with this. I've got space bars up front in clay compound and electrons in the rear in clay compound, thanks to Razor RC. For battery power, I've got a Genzace Redline 6000 milliamp hour LiPo high voltage, although we only charge them up to the normal voltage level, not the high voltage. And it's 130C constant. It's my most powerful pack, although this one does weigh a little bit more. It does have a bit more punch, so that's what we're going out with. Let's go see how we do in this race. There's also been a couple of changes this week to track maintenance. So after every race and then marshal, there's a tool at your marshalling spot, and then you either wet the track or blow off the track up to the next marshalling spot. So it always has the same consistent moisture level throughout the night and the same kind of dust level, and it's made a big improvement. So there is better traction now. You'll likely notice it during the race. And beyond the track consistency, there's also a new burnout station. So this allows you to burn in your sauced-in tires before the run. Constant improvements. Okay. Beautiful. Little pile up. These right on my heels though. Gotta try and block them out. Whoa. Oh, I failed. Now I gotta catch them.
I believe that's only the center
Sneaking through. Oh, pushing wide though. Oh, whoa. Joel! Ah! Have to make it entertaining somehow. Well, that really hurt me. That hurt me a lot. Jeez, I think I'm in last now because of that. Not anymore. Moved up a spot. I can do it.
That's looking pretty clean. Strong with the line, and that's a good barrel contract. He's marked a better lead. 2-4 lead now. 2 minutes to go.
2 minutes. Not enough time. All the other guys are way ahead. We're gonna try and stay ahead of this white car with the green wheels. Oh! Dang it. There you go. Gave it to you again. Oh, you're giving me a chance. Okay. Should have went for my air pass there. Oh, there's still 2 minutes left. Dang it. A little mistake was just enough to get him way out ahead. You guys notice how the traction's better? I do.
Practicing ongoing action.
Oh, really pushy there. Come on. Oh, dang it. Looks like I did make up some time doing that little trick. It's risky though. Oh, and he's stuck on the tire. Oh. All right, I gotta hold him off.
Super clean race from the leader once again. I'm looking for the front top. 12 seconds to go. He's going to go one more lap here. I'm dying! 7 seconds. Race number 2.
Thank God!
Was that before or after? Just after? Nice.
It's right there on the straightaway.
There we go. Finish. Oh, Eddie. Oh, that was a good battle until those 2 tire touches. Dang. There you go. Good finish. All right, that was 4-wheel drive mod B main. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Number 6, 4WD Mod Buggy.